Hey everyone, Karin Carr here with Keller Williams Coastal Area Partners, and today I am here to show you this awesome house right here, which is on Crabapple Circle in Rice Hope in Port Wentworth. It was built by Village Park Homes. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, about 3,450 square feet or so, fully completed and stunning. So we are going to go take a look at this home, and I'll show you what it looks like so we can see what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of 14 Crabapple Circle. To see this beautiful home or any other homes that Village Park Homes has available in Rice Hope, feel free to contact me and I'd be delighted to assist you.